Imagine you having the power, the ability to transform a life from this to this. If you could, would you do it? Would you allow yourself to become an instrument of change? Or would you just walk by and see this injustice continue? Every day, hundreds of men and women who have served honorably in defense of our country greet life in a cardboard box, homeless, without hope, frustrated, alone, hungry, and confused. You can change this by making a contribution today to help fund the Q Express. Q Express is designed to teach job skills, independence, but most importantly, it will restore dignity to those who lost hope a long time ago. Please give your best gift today. Your gift of $5, $10, $20 or more can change the life of a homeless veteran. Help us help veterans and their families carve out a new path in life. Quality Resource Center. We empower, enrich, and educate.